on Cooking with Love.
All right, guys, welcome to a brand new episode of Cooking with Love. And every week, as you know, I'm always going to have a fan right here. We're going to be having a great conversation, but we're going to cook. Sky Hollywood is in the building. This young lady claims she can cook. I always see her on Instagram doing her thing. Going to put her to the test and see what time it is. She have no idea what we're going to cook. Keep it locked. Don't go nowhere. Cooking with Love crazy. Sky Hollywood is in the building. You gotta teach me that one. Hey.
All right, next.
Hey.
I always dance when food is.
You
are watching Cooking with Love. Keep it locked.
All right, guys, you see I tell you, beautiful young lady gonna be here. Sky Hollywood is in the building. What's going on, sister?
Oh gosh, I'm super excited. Thanks for having me sharing your report. Super excited. And guess what? This is right on my heart.
Yeah.
But I'm not the pro.
You know, you are the pro. I see you on Instagram. I see your videos. You're always in the kitchen. And I so much love what you're doing because you know what you do?
Yeah.
You make food about fun, enjoyment, and just
music.
having a great time. And music. There's always
Yes.
music playing. She's always dancing, always having a great time. That's what it is. Cooking with love.
And your food tastes much better.
No, we're going to put it to the test.
And all.
We're going to put it to the test, and you're going to, all the ingredients that's here,
Yes.
you're going to put something together. I don't know what you're going to cook yet, but when I reveal what we're going to cook, that's when you're going to come up with your ideas for what we're going to make with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Chef.
listen, Sky has been so busy and doing so much right now. I'm going to tell you guys all about what's going on. Don't go nowhere. Keep it locked. Sky Hollywood is in the building. Cooking with Love. Keep it locked. We'll be right back. All right, guys, so now we're back. And you saw that? Listen, Sky Hollywood has been so busy. And I'm going to let her tell the fans a little bit about who Sky Hollywood is and where the name Sky Hollywood came from. Because this is, I know you're all Hollywood and all of this. You can see it. Beautiful smile. The sky is right there.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's kind of where it comes.
The sky is the limit.
Yes.
And I love that. And then my husband is hype, Hollywood hype. So I
Hollywood
took that.
hype.
Yes.
Oh.
So I put it together, Sky Hollywood.
That's what I'm talking
And then
about.
about the glamour.
Hey, turn up. But you've been super busy. You got so much going on. I know there's some things you can't reveal as to what's coming up, but you guys have a big show that's coming out on Scene TV.
Yes.
It's going to be on Scene TV.
Yes.
You can't reveal too much about it, but can you give them any little hint? They're going to see
Chef
you.
Simpson, and to all the viewers watching, you just have to log on to my social media handle and stay tuned to see when that will be dropped.
All right, done deal. Give them your social media right away so that way they can go check it out while they're watching it.
My social media handle Facebook is Sky Hollywood, and then my IG is Sky Hollywood as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Done deal. So keep it locked. What do you like to cook when you're home?
I love, my favorite dish is stew peas.
Stew peas.
I love cooking stew. It's a hard dish to cook.
It's a hard dish to cook. Yes. Not a lot of people can cook stew peas.
Exactly.
Do you do yours with the oxtail or the pigtail, or how do you do yours?
I do pigtail, oxtail, and salt beef, coconut milk.
Wow.
You know, I got to hold.
You got to hold it down lock. Yeah. A lot of time I see people cook stew peas and it comes out white or
exactly.
it comes out, they don't know the right way.
What type of peas they use.
Or they don't know the right bean to use use
Exactly.
some people use a small red and some people use the kidney beans.
I use kidney beans.
You use the kidney beans.
Yeah.
The small red give it that deep red.
I think it's a coconut milk that I add after too.
Yeah, that after.
Yeah.
Guys, we're giving you some knowledge right here on cooking. But we're gonna cook something right now.
Oh.
And what's under this, you're gonna show me and you're gonna explain to me what we're gonna cook with all the ingredients here, right down into presentation.
Okay.
So you're ready for the reveal?
Yes. Drum roll. On cooking with love. Oh yes, one of my favorites.
One of your favorites. Guys, listen. You see how pretty that looks? Yeah. What are you gonna make with this now?
On the side,
Yeah.
some baked potatoes. Or
Baked
mashed
potato.
potatoes, yes.
But what do you have in mind as to how you're gonna cook this? You have
maybe
no sympathy
boil.
for the lobster. You're just telling him that you're gonna boil him and all of that. Yeah. No
Maybe
mercy.
boil. No, okay. Boil, yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna take him out of his shower real quick.
Oh, poor baby.
Guys, keep it locked. We'll be right back. All right, guys. So we're back. You saw that? Sky Hollywood been so busy. I don't know how you keep up. How do you keep up in all the stuff that you do? And at the same time, you still come home and you're in the kitchen and you're having fun.
You know what it is? I think I enjoy doing what I do.
You enjoy
it's
what
the
you
passion.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I have a drive for it.
Yeah, that's what I always tell people, and I
Yeah.
always tell. Well, before we even go into that, I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna be making. We're gonna be making a bourbon jerk lobster. Have you ever made bourbon jerk
No.
lobster before?
I do the easy stuff.
You do the
You're
easiest.
the pro.
But we're gonna do it. We're gonna do this together as a team. But
Okay.
while we're doing this, we're also gonna have a great conversation about so many stuff that you have going on
Yes.
and what you've been up to. Because I know you've been super busy. We're gonna put that right here. Let him stay right there as a friend. So yeah, tell us a little bit about what's been going on or what you've been up to.
So much. I'm a microdermabrasion practitioner, which is skincare.
Okay.
I'm into skin. So all the little pimples, the blackheads, the whiteheads, I'm the expert for that.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. You know
And I
what?
also do massages.
Oh no! Oh my
Yeah.
God! Yeah, your husband
Yeah.
have it all. He have it all. You get all the TLC, all the
wanna know
water.
something?
Yeah.
I give him a little massage, not much.
Not
He always
much?
complain like, listen, it's my turn. It's my
It's
turn. So,
his turn.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's good. But for skincare, and I know that's very important to you. What are some of the tips that you give to the female right now? Are certain things that they can do at home to take care of their skin and just take care of their face and what they put on their face and so forth?
Right. Okay, for females, I always suggest in the morning, once you get up, warm water to open your pores.
Okay.
Then you use like a cleanser, nothing too harsh.
Okay.
Then cold water to shrink back your pores.
Okay.
And then a moisturizer.
Yes.
And then SPF, sunscreen. Because no matter how we out there in the sun, you always have to protect your skin.
Okay.
UV is good, but it can be dangerous also.
Oh.
Which is the sun, vitamin D.
Okay.
It's good and it's not good.
And it's not
you
good.
always have to protect your skin.
So you got to be
Yes,
careful.
Exactly. And
Wow.
likewise for men also.
Oh wow. Because even for guys, we don't really do much.
No.
We're taking
Just
care of
wash
our
your
skin.
face and you go.
We just wash our face and like we're good. No, we're good. We're not doing all of those stuff.
When I wash your face, I always recommend pat
Yeah.
dry.
Pat dry. What is pat dry?
You pat dry your face instead of wiping down your face. Then you get wrinkles and sag. You know, some
Oh.
people's face look droopy.
Yeah.
Yes, no, that's not good.
My face don't look droopy.
No. Maybe you're doing the right thing.
I'm doing the right thing. Pat dry, guys. Please remember that. Pat dry.
dry.
Don't wipe.
No.
Wow.
No.
See, I didn't even know that.
Yeah.
So we learned something new.
Yes.
So here you have your lobster right here. So your ingredients, you have your Old Bay season, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. All right, guys, so now we're back. You saw that? You see, this is how you need to take care of your skin. A lot of people they take care of so many other stuff within their self, but they don't take care of their skin, and it's very important.
It's very.
Yeah.
That's what people see first, your face.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So right now we're gonna cook, and your lobster is ready. So we're gonna put all the ingredients. I'm gonna assist you with ingredients. So a little bit of obey. So at the same time, tell us a little bit about, because at the end of the day, a lot of the audience, Sky Hollywood, some of them, they're totally new. So let them know what's going on and where they can find you and everything that you've been up to. Mount Rasa. Come down Mount Rasa. No, I was born in Clarendon, but I grew up in Ocho Rios.
Oh.
So passing through that area is kind of something that I'm used to in St. Catherine. Then you go to Sunshine City.
Portmore is the best.
Portmore is the best.
Where I'm from.
What?
Where I'm from is the best.
Waterford, Portmore. Oh my God, and that's what I'm talking about. But you also do a lot in motivate and inspire people, because sometimes I also see on your social media you talking about how to keep people, how to uplift themselves and just keep pushing on and support each other.
Yes.
Yeah, you're a big supporter.
Because we always need that support system, and sometimes you don't get it from your friend or your significant other.
Yeah.
It's stranger who always give it to you the most.
Yeah, most definitely. And you know what is so funny with that too, because even as fellow Jamaicans, and I always talk about Jamaicans and supporting each other, it's not something that they do quite well of. No. And I don't know why. Where do you think that comes from?
As we'd say, crab in a barrel.
Crab in a barrel mentality.
Yes.
But why is that? Because I'm trying to pinpoint it as to why, so we can make a change from the statistic as to what people think about.
To me, I think is how they were brought up. Because if you're from a loving home, you're gonna spread love.
Okay. Well, yeah, you're definitely right. Yeah. Because some people you'll come across. Probably about an hour, and then you should be good. So we're gonna tip a little bit.
Delicious.
We're gonna tip a little bit of the Walker's water, jerk season in, just like that. So you want to mix that bad boy up, and then you're gonna scrape your. I'm gonna also tip a little bit of the jerk barbecue in it.
Oh, jerk
barbecue sauce in it.
And this is from Walker's?
Yeah, this is also from Walker's. So you're just gonna scrape it out right into the pot,
so
and then here's your spoon. Chef is in the building.
Nice. In the building.
That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna add a little bit of red bell pepper and green bell pepper. Let me give you this. And we're gonna add a little bit of tomato. Chef is in the building. Sky Hollywood is in the building. Look at that. I'll put some Scotch bonnet pepper in. That's what I'm talking about. And with this, real simple, what we're gonna serve this with, and we're gonna put some onion in. Nice diced onion. Right. And I'm gonna serve this with some grilled veg and some sweet potato puree. So guys, while we're here cooking this, I'm gonna also show you what we're gonna add to it. As you know already, we're gonna turn it up. We're gonna turn it up, guys.
Take some shots.
shot. That's what It goes so, guys.
Keep it. This is the music.
All right. Hey. Find the river.
Down the flank, we a go down the flank. Like a baller, we go down the flank. You're cheap, pretty young, get in
on the bank. Guys, people that don't go nowhere. We are going to cook here, and we are cook with love. People that don't go nowhere. Sky Hollywood is in the building.
Boom.
Big chef.
cooking with love.
All right, guys, we're back. You see this? You see how pretty this look? Sky Adore thing, you know.
I can't wait to taste
Chef
it.
Sky Hollywood is in the building. Look at that.
The aroma.
They need to have smell-o-vision.
Yes,
Yeah.
I know, right?
Yeah, you can just smell what's going on right here. Guys, we're gonna serve this real simple. I'm gonna do some grilled veg and some sweet potato puree. Real simple. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna go with a little bit of butter. Butter is good as long as you're not taking too much. You're good for the flavor. I'm gonna go with a little bit of olive oil. All right. And then I have my grilled veg already here. It's some red pepper, some broccoli, some cauliflower. We're gonna pour that in, make him nice and hot. And that is ready. Oh my God. Yeah. Nice. Beautiful. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Not too much. Beautiful. Or how do you keep the husband at home and keep him happy? I know how you keep him happy, but we can't tell them that.
My face,
yeah, we can't tell them that, guys. You just gotta use your imagination and take care of home. I saw her face.
My face like,
I saw your face like you really want me to tell you that shit. It's not gonna happen, guys. But give them some tips.
What I'm about to say, maybe a lot of you guys will be upset, but my thing is, never you try to be the man's mother. You're not his mother.
Okay.
Bottom line. And the same way how you enter the relationship, just enhance for the better.
Nice, nice.
Try not to change for the worse where you start asking where you are, who's your friends, where you're going. His phone is ringing and you're looking.
Because you know what? It's good that you it's good that you say that, because a lot of time female will get into a relationship and they think, okay, it's their job now to change the man to be who they want. He will change. And if he value you that much, once you put it on the table as to say, you say, honey, I don't like when you do this and I don't like when you do that. If he value you a lot, he will make those changes without you have to always telling him and correcting him. He will make those changes.
Females these days.
Now do your thing, Sky. Chef Sky. No. Just scoop him up nice, just like you make a nice presentation. Yeah, look at that. All right, guys, you see this? You see how pretty this looks? Sky Hollywood make this. You can't wait to dig in. That's what I'm talking about. But you know, we can't have seafood without lemon. Where you think is a perfect spot just to put the lemon for presentation? What do you know about that? Chef Sky Hollywood is in the building.
Yes.
Look at that, guys. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Take a picture. Take a picture. Guys, it's been a pleasure right here. But right now she's gonna taste and she's gonna tell you what's going on.
On cooking with love. So Chef Simpson has left the building, so I will give you the review. So here we go. That's wow. Woo, I have to take another shot. I've never had lobster this way. Guys, it was a pleasure being here, cooking with love. So check me out, guys. IG, I am Sky Hollywood Hype, and then Facebook, I am Sky Hollywood Hype. It was a pleasure, boy. Jamaica, can't chat no more.
You gotta teach me that one. Hey.
Alright, next. I always dance when food is. You are watching Cooking with Love. Keep it locked.